This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jenna Hobbs. Check out this awesome home in the popular Landing Subdivision. This subdivision is located in the Lake Blackshear area, just across the street from the water and close to a public boat ramp. The home features a great open floor plan. It has 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 baths, and vaulted ceilings in the family room. The home has recently been updated with a beautiful master bathroom which includes a large tile shower, new tile floors, and double sink vanity with granite countertops. Getting dressed in the mornings will not be a dreaded task anymore with the built-in Bluetooth speakers that complete this fabulous master bathroom. The exterior of the home has recently been painted, and includes a relaxing porch that overlooks the backyard and a double garage. Set up your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jenna Hobbs at 229-273-4132.